हम्म। हेलो। Okay, now start the pollution in coal waste. The already discussed in previous class some parts in the coal waste. DRI means directly reduced iron. Okay, my voice was audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now, what is the pollution in coal waste? What is the coal? Anyone known about the coal pollution in coal? जानते हो कोल क्या है? तो बताएगा कोयला। कोई बताएगा कोयला क्या है? कोयला कहाँ यूज होता है और किस लिए यूज करते हैं उसको?
पावर प्लांट में यूज होता है सर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट
और अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करने के लिए। और क्या होता है?
और
क्योंकि तो यू आर स्टूडेंट ऑफ 6 सेमेस्टर, अब तुम लोग को आगे तो सब चीज में वर्क करना है। बताओ इसका क्या पर्पस क्या है इसका यूज करने का, कोल बेस्ड पॉल्यूशन इन कोल बेस्ड। तो जो कोल बेस्ड पॉल्यूशन कैसे होता है, यू सी इन द इमेज हाउ टू क्रिएट द पॉल्यूशन फ्रॉम द कोल is the directly reduced iron DRI methods. Okay, so how to create the pollution from the coal, कैसे होता है pollution, कैसे होता है एटमॉस्फेयर में फ्रॉम कोल से, क्योंकि विदाउट इन्वायरमेंटल क्लियरेंस डिपार्टमेंट, विदाउट यू गिव द इन्वायरमेंट क्लियरेंस फ्रॉम द इन्वायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट, you not start the any type of industrial work. Okay, you not start the any type of industrial work such as suppose steam plant setup, power plant setup. Okay, this type of work not started. So this type of pollution created from the this plant. So how to reduce the pollution? Anyone define how to reduce the pollution? कैसे reduce कर सकते हैं? कोई idea किसी के पास? कोई बताएगा कि how to reduce the pollutions from the coal waste? Which type of pollutants available in the pollution in coal waste? Pollutant size means pollutant size is air pollution. Create the air pollution from the power plant and steel plants. Suppose if coal is burned, then smog is the directly reduced. Sorry, this discharge from the chimney. Okay. Then this type of suppose two types of particular matter in the air pollution, PM10 and PM2.5. So directly impact on the atmosphere, the ecosystem. This type of pollutions, size, define in size. Anyone about the AQI? Define the AQI, air quality index. Anyone? You can? No. This is a pollution in coal-based DI directly reduced iron method. Okay. The air quality index is the you see the chart from the air quality index was 0 to 50 is the good. Okay, this is the AQI. The PM10 and PM2.5. The PM10 deadly settle through the water sprinkling in the atmosphere. Then the PM10 size particle size is settled on the ground. Okay, but PM2.5 is move in the air. Okay, this is the major smog. Okay, the DI directly reduced iron is a method of producing solid iron from iron oxide. Okay, the DRI is the method of producing solid iron from the iron oxide. Okay, this is the image, this type of the iron oxide. Iron from the iron ore can be. Anyone? In the solid form and or in a molten form. In solid form, iron can be or can be directly produced in coal-based kiln. एक होता है kiln part, जो power plant में एक kiln part होता है, this is a very dangerous parts. Okay, for the human bodies. This the black. Suppose is the इस टाइप का हम लोग का जो पार्टिकल्स उसमें ब्लैक पार्टिकल्स फाइंड होता है जो कि मूव करता है एयर के साथ. This is the very dangerous parts of the power plant. This is the coal-based kiln. Okay, HBI produced in gas-based kiln and DRI does not need cooking coal at all. Okay, this is the iron from the iron ore can be. So anyone first you about the coal-based. What is the coal-based? तो कोई डिफाइन करो कोल क्या होता है. कोई नहीं कर सकते हो कोल का डिफाइन. अच्छा, डायरेक्ट जो रिड्यूस आयरन होता है DRI, इसका प्रोड्यूस कैसे होता है? इसका स्टील प्लांट में कैसा है, किसका रोल क्या रहता है, कोई बताएगा? Directly reduced iron, also called a sponge iron. This is called a sponge iron. Is produced from the directly reduce of the iron ore. This is a form of lumps, pellet, and fines into iron by a reducing gas or element carbon. Okay, produced from the natural gas or coal. This is the element of the carbon produced from the natural gas or coal. Okay, the many ore are suitable for the direct reduction. Okay, the direct reduction refers to solid state process which reduced iron oxide of metallic iron at temperature below the metallic melting point of iron. This is the DRI, direct reduced iron produced from the steel plants. Okay, and this is the name of this process. Example, with the heating iron ore is the furnace at high temperature 800 to 1200 Celsius, and in the Fahrenheit 1470 to 2190. This is the Fahrenheit. Okay, this is a blast furnace in the high temperature kept 800 to 1200 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the coal based, right? Coal based. Okay, and the process. What is the process of DRI method? Using the coal based. What is the benefit? Process benefit. The process is the directly reduced process can be divided roughly into two categories. Okay, directly reduced iron divided into two categories: gas based and coal based. Okay, in both cases, the objective of the process is to remove the oxygen, okay, contained in various form of iron, or size or concentrates, pellets, mill scale, furnace dust. Okay, so this is the process of the direct reduction process, and two types of the gas based and coal based. Okay, in this process, remove from the oxygen content various form iron. Okay, this is the ore of the size ore, concentrates, pellets, mill scales, furnace dust. Blast furnace that you burn the coal in the furnace. Okay, this suppose you burn the chimney is the blast furnace. Okay, in order to convert the ore into metallic iron without melting, this below is the 1200 degrees Celsius. Okay, the direct reduction process is comparatively energy direct. A steel melt using DRI requires significant less fuel. Okay, this fuel is not used, only gas and coal used, coal based and gas based. In this traditional blast furnace is not needed. DRI is most commonly made as steel using electric arc furnace. Okay, one is the furnace is two types, three types furnace use the electric arc furnace and the chimney furnace, blast furnace. All are used in the power plant and steel plant. The steel plant mainly use the electric and chimney. Advantage to heat produced by the DRI product. Directly reduced iron directly produce the heat. Okay. What is the benefit of the coal-based DRI method? DRI. What is the benefit? Which type of benefits? The benefits is the directly reduction process were developed to overcome difficulties of conventional blast. Okay, this is a conventional blast furnace. Anyone about the blast furnace? Known about blast furnace क्या होता है? कोई बताएगा? Anyone कोई बताओ blast furnace क्या होता है? No, कोई नहीं. ब्लास्ट फर्नेस हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये बताओ, इसलिए यूज किया जाता है ब्लास्ट फर्नेस। स्टील प्लांट में सबसे ज्यादा यूज होता है ब्लास्ट फर्नेस का। तो क्या है ब्लास्ट फर्नेस से लोग क्या करते हैं, स्पेशली द प्रोड्यूस द इंडस्ट्रियल मेटल used for smelting, okay, to produce industrial metals, generally pig iron, but also others such as the lead or copper. Okay, the DRI plant need not be a part of an integrated steel plant. Okay, this DRI is also used in the power plant. As is characteristics of blast furnace, the initial capacity investment and operating cost or directly direct reduction plant are lower than integrated steel plants and are more suitable for developing countries where supplies to high grade cooking coal, okay, are limited, but where steel scrap is generally available for recycling. In India is the world's largest producer to direct reduce iron. Okay, the India is the steel scrap is generally available for recycling. सपोज यू तुम बिल्डिंग को तोड़ते हो तो उसमें से क्या निकलता है, स्टील निकलता है, जो छड़ तुम्हारा निकलता है स्क्रैप, तो उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वो तो तुम्हारी साइकिलिंग के लिए अवेलेबल रहता है बहुत सारा, तो रिसाइकलिंग का फिर से हम उसको रीयूज करते हैं। ठीक है, तो इंडिया द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर टू डायरेक्ट रिड्यूस आयरन, मेनी अदर कंट्रीज आर वेरिएंट ऑफ द प्रोसेस। The factors they help make DRI economical. How do they make the economic for DRI? So this is the typical 90 to 95, 90 to 94% total depending on the quality of the raw ore. That means DRI has about the same iron content as a pig iron. Okay. Anyone define SBI? The hot briquetted iron is a component for the DRI designed to easy to shipping, handling, and storage for the easy. The hot direct reduced iron SDRI, the DRI that transported a hot directly from the reaction furnace into an electric and furnace, thereby saving energy. But this is the factor that help DRI economic. Okay, what is the problem? The problem is that direct reduced iron is highly susceptible to the oxidation and the rusting. Oxidation and rusting if left unprotected, and normally quickly process that the further to steel. Okay. Then now there is a solid form. Iron ore can be in solid form. You are defined DRI producer and coal-based kiln HBI. Already discussed HBI. What is the HBI? Hot briquetted iron. Okay. This is the DRI is designed for the easy to shipping, handling, and the storage. Okay. A DRI does not need to cooking coal at all. Okay. And then or molten form. In molten form, iron can be produced in the blast furnace need cooking coal. The melten, हम लोग क्या करते हैं इसमें स्टील को क्या करते हैं, मेल्टिंग करते हैं ब्लास्ट फर्नेस में. ओके, फॉर द यूज द ब्लास्ट फर्नेस फॉर मेल्टिंग द स्टील. The blast furnace need cooking coal. Corex can use a significant quantity of non-cooking coal, but cannot do away within the totally. This is the iron form from iron ore can be. So what is the problem? The problem is this type of problem. Direct reduced iron highly susceptible to the oxidation and the rusting. The left unprotected and is the normally quickly processed fur to steel. Okay, the bulk iron can also catch fire signs. Okay, this is almost pure metal. If made from the scrap, not from new iron, this is the problem with the blast and pig iron. And the DRI is not from the new, make from the new iron, from the scrap. That is also iron with the natural gases, which need to do with the steel making process. तो व्हाट इज यूजेज ऑफ द DRI? मैंने यू बताया कि ना था कि स्पॉन्ज स्पॉन्ज आयरन. व्हाट इज द स्पॉन्ज आयरन? The sponge iron not useful for it itself, but can be processed to create rough iron or steel. The sponge is removed from the furnace called a bloomery. Okay, the sponge is the removed from the furnace called a bloomery and repeatedly beaten with a heavy hammers and folded over and remove the slag. Okay, and the sponge iron is created by reducing iron ore without melting it. The make from energy efficient feedstock for especially steel manufacture used by the upon scrap metals. Okay, they now dairy preferred in India because of a small scale of production access to the iron ore. Okay, purity of the cooking coal in India. This is the dairy preferred in India. क्योंकि हम क्यों प्रीफर करते हैं? This is a small scale of production access to iron ore. Okay. This is the in India 27% of all steel is produced through the coal DRI. Okay, in India में क्या होता है 27% स्टील और क्या प्रोड्यूस कैसे करते हैं फ्रॉम द थ्रू द कोल DRI में डायरेक्ट यूज आयरन मेथड से. Okay, use the coal based and the 7% of all steel is produced through the gas and the 7% is the from the gas and the 20% is the through the scrap route. Okay. Then now this is ESP. This is the image showing the ESP, electrolysis precipitator. Okay, the mean or DRI segment is a vital constituent of the steel industries. 54% Indian steel is through the non-blast furnace route. Okay, India is the world's largest producer of DRI. India is the world's largest producer of DRI. India produced 28 million tons of DRI in 2010. Suppose 28 million to DRI in 2010, so this current situation 2021, that is a double. क्या 2010 में इतना कर रहा था तो अभी कितना करेगा बताओ कोई? I guess 57 million tons is global production. Okay. DRI produced and consumed locally. Being unstable in composition, DRI cannot be exported out or transported over long distances. Factories are located close to the raw material sources. In the map of the India, this is the where sweeping a sponge iron is protested. Since they are rich in the iron ore and coal, the which state numbers keep the numbers of factories and what is the capacity. This maximum state is the numbers of factories the minimum, but the capacity is the maximum. Okay, suppose number of factories Jharkhand 37. क्या अभी करंट में झारखंड में इतना 37 फैक्ट्री चल रहा है? नहीं, कि all are the closed. Numbers of 37. Capacity is the million ton per annum to 2.4. West Bengal 57 factories. Capacity is 4.2. Odisha 108. Capacity to 10.5. Chhattisgarh is number of factories 68, but capacity is 0.66. So the numbers of factories more, but capacity is the low, very minimum. In Jharkhand, numbers of factory 37, but capacity 2.4. How it is possible? ये कैसे पॉसिबल है? क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ माइंस ज्यादा है, इसलिए यहाँ पे जो कैपेसिटी है वो ज्यादा है. छत्तीसगढ़ का माइंस थोड़ा सा कम है, ज्यादा वहाँ पे माइन एरिया नहीं है, इसलिए फैक्ट्रीज ज्यादा है, बट वहाँ पे जो कैपेसिटी है वेरी लो. क्योंकि छत्तीसगढ़ में जो भी जाता है यहाँ से झारखंड से उड़ीसा से ठीक है, जो भी उसका रॉ मटेरियल। ओके, इन महाराष्ट्र इज 6, Andhra Pradesh is 11 factories, Tamil Nadu is the 2 factories, Karnataka is 39. Therefore, the Karnataka is the, have the 39 factory bus capacity is the 1.8 million ton per annum. In Goa is the 1 factory is the capacity 0.03. So this is the data you found from the State Pollution Control Board. Okay, this type of data you already received the SPCB. Okay. So this is the iron ore and DRI method. DRI process, how to process DRI? The first you get raw material, periodic coal, iron ore, flux the entire the rotary kiln. Okay, then it goes to the from the preheating zones, combustion zone where coal is heated. Then rotary kiln 22.5% slope and 0.47 RPM running per meter speeds. Then go through the flue gas, then go the afterburn chamber. Okay, then reminder coal in the order from the hot air is the charged. Then from the rotary kiln and then you go through the solid iron and the unburnt chamber line of the discharge. Then lastly with the cooler discharge of product separated. Last in is the particles is cool and the product is discharged from the dairy process. This is the dairy process, how to use the stack, ESP, okay, turbine. The rotary kiln is the part of the steel plant. This is the ore, coal and olo. This is the coal. How to reach the store in a stack, this is an ESP, the double servi, feed, PCC, secondary rotary cooler. These are the part of the steel plant. Okay. Then the paths of iron and gas, the DRI routes and the recent gas routes. There two are there are two routes, DRI and the recent gas routes. There is a gas and coal based. Okay, the first raw material yards, the routes, and the Carson skinner, rotary kiln, the actuator, cooler discharge, product separator, a stock house, loading points in trucks. These are the part of the DRI route. Okay. Then recent gas route, rotary kiln discharge or combustion in the gas conditioning tower, afterburn chamber, gas cleaning plant, dust settling chamber, waste heat recovery boiler, stack. So these are the path of the iron and gas. These are the 7 parts available in the recent gas route and the DI route 9. All are the available in the DI route. Input output in DRI plants. What is the input? How does the output? This type of solid form, air form. This the matter is solid per ton of DRI. Input is the iron ore is a 6 to 20 mm size is a 1500 kg and coal is 3.3 mm size and 300 kg and a 3 to 15 mm size and 700 kg and limestone is the 0 to 3 mm and the input is a 75 kg and output is sponge iron, okay, plus 3 mm is equal to after the 1500 kg the you receive the output the iron sponge iron is the 790 kg for 3 size 3 mm and coal is the G to 300 kg input and the output sponge iron is the 1 to 3 mm, okay, 210 kg. Same just like the coal, after out of the 700 kg they receive the output Sponge iron is the 50 kg. Okay, so this type of matter input and outputs. Okay, and from the air, energy in the GCL the 10, the 600 Newton Newton MQ. So coal is 6. Is the this type of the after the 500 Newton per MQ received. Okay, this is the input and output of DRI plants. Unfortunately, DRI is a polluting industries. This type of how to produce, pollute the from the DRI industries. You see in the image, the some plants live with the dust is kept on the leaves. You see that this type of part you see in the near the industries. Okay, suppose industry set up in your area, you see in the this type of image. All pollutants settle in the ground, so be ground items, so leaves, plant leaves, and the streets. Okay, your homes, your clothes. Okay, the air, water, soil waste containing mainly PM, this is a particular matter, 2.5 and 10, SO2, NOS, and CO around the ambient environmental. Okay, this is the environmental pollution. Okay, then now garbage factor for ton of sponge iron unit. 1.6 to 1.75 iron ore. Okay, 1.2, 1.4 coal. Okay, the out of 1.6 to 1.7 iron ore is the input in ton, then output is the 1.8 to 2 carbon dioxide in tons. This is the garbage factor. Okay, then 1.2 to 1.4 coal, 0.25 dust, and 0.035 to 0.5 dolomite. This is a 0.25 coal char. Okay, these are the tons in input garbage factor and the output is the tons is the this type of. So mainly the your input the iron ore and you receive the output in tons is 1.82 carbon dioxide. Okay. Then now the source of air pollution is a process and a fugitive process the combustion of coal in the preheating zone, so the kiln. Okay, oxidation of the iron ore in the process zone is the kiln, and the flue gas from the kiln through the upper end, and dust of char and burnt lime, sulfur, aluminium, other through the discharge end, and the flue gas through the cap of the after burnt chamber. Okay, particulate matter from the ESP. ESP is the electrostatic precipitator. You all receive all types to receive the air pollutants such as the coal based. Okay, all type of coal burnt dust receive the ESP and ESP is the output. Which type of material output is the fly ash. After a fly ash, you in the market you fly ash bricks like the fly ash bricks. The fugitive is the raw material handling and the feeding area. Recovered in the lives of the WSRB discharge and the cooler discharge. Okay, product separator, work area of plant. This is the source of the air pollution. Dust collection center, location and nomenclature. Location and nomenclature. The location in the raw material storage yard. This is the nomenclature is the stock house. Which the receive the stock house. And the coal is crusher for charging as powder. This is the coal crusher. Okay, iron ore is a crusher to fit 5 to 16 mm size. The iron ore you crush the size in the 5 to 16 mm. Then you receive the nomenclature is the iron crusher. Okay, the raw material sent to the plants, transfer points. As sponge is cooled by the spraying water, this is a cooler discharge. As sponge rest before skinning and separation is the immediate beam. Okay, as sponge is separated from the char is a product separation, and the product is stocked in the product house. These are the dust collection center. which type of dust is you receive collect the in which center the nomenclature is the center and the raw local raw material in storage yard. The norms of the air pollution. This is the you see in the process. Okay. Okay, this is the norms of air pollutions. Process the 100 milligram Newton per CPCB. Okay, lower at 6 milligram per Newton per MQ for the Karnataka. This is the state. Okay, this will be 2 milligram per Newton per MQ. The source of water consumption and pollution. The water consumption and the water pollution. Water consumption from the rotary clean cooler discharge, gas cooling, water separating water in the sense the water which is used to cool the kiln is again used to cool and coolers of soil discharge and flue gas. Make of water is the kept in the reserve. Okay, this is the water consumption. The water pollution, the cooler discharge contains soil water particles, waste particles. Gas cooler also contain soil particles. Some sulfides are mixed retrievably into water. Okay, water is sprayed on dust while sponging it off in trucks. Okay, and the water is the gas scrubbing may contain PS compounds. This is the water pollution from the water consumption part is rotary clean cooler. So this is a water consumption part, and then water consumption they will create the this type of pollution. The cooler discharge contains solid waste particles. Okay, the gas vessel contains solid particles. So this type of pollution get from the water consumption. The water requirement in the MQ part and DRI for the water requirement, how much water requirement for the purpose, nature of water. Okay, so the suppose purpose is the cooling, ABC, dust separation, weight scrubber. Okay, total contacts, the total circulating, total water. Okay, this is the cooling is the 1.32 tons per MQ per ton, but there's a nature of water circulating and non-contact. Same, just like similar to the ABC, dust separation 0.48, 0.30. Okay, the diet for the contact, diet and contact is the nature of water. Waste scrubber 0.78 MQ per ton. Okay, total contact 1.54 to be recycled and total circulating 1.2 to make up. Okay, this is the water requirement MQ per ton DRI. This is a 7 and a 7 kg per ton DRI is soil waste. Soil waste from DRI is wet dust in the form of sludge and is mostly allowed to drain out into the river and pond field. Suppose you soil waste is the wet dust, the DRI dust used for the sludge. You see in the image you have kept in the hand for the discharge sludge. Okay, from the bottom, and the second image showing the river ponds and this type of the soil waste in DRI plant source says June 2012 is data. Okay, Discharge in economic combustion gases as storm elements, rotary kiln and recuperator 42% total dust. Okay, and ESP dust 24%. Dust settling chambers at 3%. Cooler discharge and product separating areas at 15%. Okay, these are due to and source. The due to the ESP does as coal incomplete waste recovery and gas cleaning, and dust settling chamber includes the raw materials, income combustion of coal, poor extraction of coal. Okay, due to physical fall of materials, pure waste heat recovery. Okay, poor quality coal, non-preheating material over oxidation in ore due to presence of sulfur. Okay, and this is the stack order to kill as the 11%. This is the percent of total dust and its source and due to and dust. Standard on the discharge influent, which type of parameter, this type of parameter and the discharge permissible limit of the, you all are known about the parameter, the pH, COD, BOD, ONC, fluoride, hexavalent chromium, iron, total chromium, manganese, TSS, cyanide, phenolic compounds, sulfur. Okay, so this type of the parameter. And the permissible limit you all are on pH, these are varying between the 6.5 to 8.5. Okay, and the COD is the 250 milligram per liter, BOD is the 30. Okay, and the OND is the milligram per 10 fluoride. These all are the parameters, the permissible limit you all are known. This is the total chromium, iron, magnesium 2 milligram per liter. All are in the mentioned milligram per liter. Cyanide is milligram per 0.2. Phenolic compounds is 1 milligram, of sulfide is the 2 milligram per liter. Okay, this is the parameter, this is the permissible limit. Any doubts? This is the pollution from the sponge iron. Industry is the core reason why communities risk arm against the industries. Though some people is this type of pollution created from the industries, but this is the core reason community is the against for the industries. Okay, this is the parameter